Hello everybody, so today is Sunday. Sorry the lighting is horrible. Let me try and get, no, that's not working. Okay, whatever, you're just gonna have to deal with it. We are in the car, packed and ready to go, waiting. I'm just waiting for Alex to get in the car. The baby's trying to eat my arm. We are gonna go to San Diego for the next 3 days. It just happened to be 3 days that my husband had off, so that is what this vlog is going to be about. Say hi. Where are you going, William? Where are we gonna go?
We're going to the SeaWorld.
SeaWorld! Yay!
William, do you want a lollipop?
Are you a grumpy noodle? Say, Trouble is my middle name. William, where are we going?
Go to the SeaWorld.
What are we gonna see there?
You see some SeaWorld.
Some whales?
Yeah.
Are you all turtled out? Do you have turtles all over? Got your turtle hat and your turtle jacket?
Collected upstream. There's a place that it was just constantly like collecting.
And you are what? Very eclectic style today. Oy vey. Thanks. Woo! Shut up, Alex. You're telling me.
I used to do that all the time.
You're horrible.
I used to get so mad.
Are you trying to zip your jacket there, buddy? Alrighty. We are almost to Barstow. What are those? They're lemurs. You like them?
Where are they?
They're right over there.
You see some?
Mhm. They're so cute.
Want to use my camera?
No, I got it. You like them, William? We're at the Wild Safari Animal Park. You like it?
Oh, you got your other camera.
Yeah, I got this one. Aaron likes it. Oh, we can walk in there, babe. You want to go in? I don't think so.
Meaning that they do eat just plants. Now, of course, cheetahs are carnivores, as are lions, who you may have seen earlier today. But most of the animals on this tour are plant eaters. And so what we try to do here at the safari park is we group our animals together. We put our herbivores with our herbivores, and we put our carnivores with our carnivores. We don't put our carnivores with our herbivores. If we did that, we wouldn't have any herbivores left. But the thing is, we do maintain a natural environment for animals as much as we can. The herbivores, the plant eaters, can actually smell our carnivores, the meat eaters. They know that there are predators around. And that's actually...
Okay, so day 2 in San Diego. I've gotten ready. We went and then we had some breakfast and we are going to go to SeaWorld, which is super exciting. William has been talking about it all morning. Yesterday we went to the safari park. I didn't get very much footage, but it was really fun. It was a lot of walking and I think my grandpa wore himself out. He won't admit it though. So we are going to go and try and trek through SeaWorld today. Hopefully there's not a lot of people. Today is Monday. I don't think there'll be that many people. So, William, where are we going? Cool. What are you going to see at SeaWorld?
Look, adventures.
Dinosaurs.
Adventures.
Are you watching a dinosaur video? Well, he was excited. And the baby is asleep, taking his morning nap. So yeah, that is what we're going to do today. You'll probably see a lot more later. Bye. Do you like SeaWorld?
Yeah, I love it.
Are you excited to go to SeaWorld?
Nice.
You'd be nice, yeah. When you touch the dolphins, you'd be nice, right?
Yeah. But that one was It'll pop out.
What?
I don't know.
So what are we gonna do at SeaWorld?
It is tiny. It's nice.
It'd be nice when you touch the dolphins, but what are we gonna see? Are we gonna see dolphins and whales?
We see turtle, no?
Turtles too? Yeah.
Did I see like birds?
And birds? I think we saw birds yesterday, but they might have birds there. I don't know. I don't remember.
But no, these I don't like the bird. No, I need the bird.
You saw the birds yesterday, huh? What else did we do yesterday?
We do some whales.
No, we saw whales yesterday. I mean today we're seeing the whales. What did we do yesterday? Did we go on a train?
Yeah,
What did we do?
we see animals.
We saw animals. It was so fun.
It's the fun. Halloween is fun. It's just and nothing. He's just with
Are you singing Yo Gabba Gabba Halloween?
and
You're so silly.
It's the Halloween. It's the fun Halloween. Halloween. It's just nothing. He's just it's Halloween. Halloween.
You have ADD, I
Halloween.
swear. William, how did you get there?
I don't know that.
Can you please get out before you get stuck? Weirdo. William, you see the dolphins? Papa. Look, baby, a dolphin. You like it? He's been waiting for this forever.
He's looking at the ultrasound, so it actually gives him an image of the computer screen so that he can see the ultrasound instead of having to look at the computer while he's doing it. You're welcome.
Penguin. You like them? They look like you. William, do you like the penguins? You're so sleepy. Somebody needs a nap. Beluga whale. It's a walrus. It's a white walrus. It's a beluga whale. Oh. Yeah, thank you. Ay, ay, ay. Aaron, what do you kick off everything? What are you doing? You should be napping. You're supposed to be asleep. It's not working out. It's not sleeping. Oh, there goes. Meltdown.
You cross a lot.
Did you see the whale show?
Yeah.
What happened in the whale show?
Because those kids have
It's about that. No, I
participate in the whale.
Did they
show. They
splash?
get a lot of money because it's dangerous work.
You loved it?
Yes.
Oh, you do that and then they
I'm not
splash
saying
you?
there's a lot of money, but there's a lot of them.
So neat.
I'm sure they're
Are you
hitting
sleepy?
45 plus a year.
Yeah, about that, 45.
Not for a nice living, but
A
if
shark.
you live in San Diego, it might as well be
Shark.
35,000 a year.
Shark?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah, well,
we'll see some.
of expensive. Oh, what's the most expensive? Out there,
So we are now gonna go home. Baby's gotta sleep under here.
Turtles.
And we are going to go back to the hotel because we are dead exhausted and there is a lot of stuff that we did today. Right, baby? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
William loved it.
Yeah,
So
but they
we
want
will
more.
talk to you later.
They want-
William, your song's on. Your song is on.
You're signing it up?
His song is on.
Oh, that your song?
Is this your song too? Is your song, William?
To keep you from getting across.
Okay, which way from here?
Off to the beach. Hi, Pookie Doodles. Hi. Hi, Nana. You want to go to the beach? No, you have to hold Daddy's hand.
Hold my hand for a second.
Oh, nada que fregó mi speaker. Que no trabaja bien, que no puedo oír nada. Pero casi iba a morir mi teléfono. Andamos en la playa ahora. Cuando llegamos en el hotel te hablo, ¿ok? Bye. I hate sand. God, I forgot about how much I hate sand.
So much fun, huh?
Cool. For a couple of hours. It's like 8 a.m. right now. Are you so grumpy? Do you have yogurt all over your face? For a couple of hours since we are going to be going home today, but we are probably going to stay there at least till like 11:30. Try and see some pandas. William, you want to go see pandas? Did you say panda? Say panda. That was very close, sweetie. So yeah, we'll see you there. See how Aaron thinks. Hi! Are you ready to go to the zoo? You ready to go to the zoo?
Yeah.
What do you want to see at the zoo?
I want to see the
Pandas?
yeah.
Panda bears?
The panda.
Cool. I think Aaron's just happy he's along for the ride. Right?
Yeah.
What's on your hat? That's a cool hat, dude.
A whale one.
A whale? That's super neat. All right, let's go to the zoo.
Yeah. Okay.
So we are walking through the San Diego Zoo, and actually this place is really pretty. I'm really surprised. This is actually the only place we're gonna stay for like only 2 hours, and I'm kind of regretting it. I wish we came here like the first day or maybe even yesterday, but we had to go to SeaWorld because William's obsessed with whales. So, but this place is really, really, really pretty actually. So, and it looks like it's a lot of exercise, which is good for us because we're lazy bums and we ate a lot. It is vacation, right? So. We're gonna try and find the pandas. Where are the pandas? Maybe we can ask that nice lady over there. Hold on. She looks like she's really eager to help somebody. Why don't we go ask her? Let's go this way. I think it's this way.
Another trail.
Well, let's go ask this nice lady.
There you go.
Is it this way?
I don't know.
I don't know. Which way is the pandas? Good morning. Oh, okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
They're this way, baby.
Thank you for being here today.
It looks like a horse, but I think it's called something else. A takin. Can you see that? Do you think they're neat and interesting? What is that thing? Cool. You like it? Did you see the panda? It's eating, babe.
Wow.
Wow. It's biting really hard. Oh, yeah. Cool. It looks like your brother, huh? He's cute and chunky like your brother. What do you think? You like it? Oh, no camera. That's cool. I don't think I've ever been here with their pandas. Have you? William seems quite uninterested. That's crazy. Aren't they like super nice?
They really bad, Mommy.
Huh?
I don't want to try the trees. I want to bite.
Is he biting the trees?
Yeah, biting.
Is he eating it?
Yeah.
He likes to eat trees.
I played with that. We played with that one.
He likes it. It's so big. Look at it, William.
Yeah, I see that.
See that?
See it.
Oh, look, it's going away. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, jaguar. What is that, William?
What did it on?
Since she's African,
On those.
are visible.
Oh, yeah.
Asian females, they have little husky.
On the door.
They're so cool.
Let me.
He doesn't want it? Be careful, bug. Don't drop it, okay?
Yeah.
That's a ice cream cone. Yeah. It's delicious, huh? Send it, Daddy. This one's eating. Little feet. He's like, give it back. No.
After it's done. Once this is done, then you eat it. You have to finish actually, then you can bite it.
To be fair, you didn't say eat it.